Okay, why am I here in the Paris Raceway? Shh, just look, we're spying. Why are we doing that? Oh. Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Woodpecker Racing. And today, we're having a battle mode here on Paris. So stay tuned if someone, and good luck. If they don't see a scene of action, we're setting up the oh, that's Chris' idea. So, sit tight, and good luck. Hello racer fans or total drama fans. It looks like all the racers will have to complete the fight challengers. And by the way, we brought a new racer challenge today. Steven Universe, Airroy Jetson, and Gumball Waterson. And looks like they have the same minion like Bob. So good luck there in the challenge fight mode. If I don't see any action, we're setting up the TIE Fighter immediately. Hey, what's a TIE Fighter? Don't ask me. I can't believe Andy Panda was gone. Hey, that's Woody. Okay, but life isn't fair. Hey, Peter Hart, look, they're having a fight mode. Yeah, I love that. Come on, kick some butt, Lucius. Kick some butt. Okay, we're ready to set. Let's do this. Ready? Ready. Get set. Okay. No. You're going down, Maleficent. So be it, Steven. Go. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I'm ready. Okay. And they're off. I know how to use a space scooter. The big bad wolf have 2 lives left. Okay. Oh, damn it. In your face, sucker! Whoa, Jake has 2 lives left. What's he gonna do now? Say goodnight, Plankton. Ooh, Mordecai and Rigby has 2 lives left.
All the kids' horses and all the kids' men. Put the force all back together again.
Okay, cherries. Have to now hit the wolf. Now the big bad wolf has 1 life left. Whoa. And Gumball is flying. Ow! Okay, and looks like Orange has 2 lives left. Hey, Booby Dow. Hey.
Mamma mia.
You're going down, Looks like Maleficent has 2 lives left. Okay. And looks like Lucius has 2 lives left. And Grandpa Feather too. Let me do it. Wait, what's he going to the audience? You're going down, SpongeBob. And looks like Bob Doll has lives is number 2. Okay, that Grandpa Petter's going, the Lucius going down. Let's see. Let me be. And Clarence has 2 lives left. I'm gonna get you, Airroy. Hey, Mordo. Whoop. And Doll Bob Tiny Bob has one life left.
Hi, Muscle. Here, bro. Here's the pole power. This will help you.
Oh yeah, that's so good. Is this what I needed?
Go, SpongeBob!
Come on, Lucius, get the cartoon's butt. I use the power block. What the heck is just happening? Oh, safe. I'm safe. What? Pendipita panakiba. Oh, what the heck just happened? Okay, cherries, activate the ink attack.
Okay, it's our chance.
Uh-oh. Looks like Tiny Bob is out.
No.
No. What the heck is just a doll? This is so boring now. Release the TIE Fighter! Come on! Archer! Look out! What? Whoa! Look out! Why are they attacking us? Look out! Oh, Gumball has one life left. And Gumball is out. This isn't fair! How can I do this? This is totally boring, and I fixed this real good.
Oh no, they're about to shoot. They're about to shoot me to work.
I know. Whoa. Grandpa Feather crushed all the racers. What a pity. Except for Steven Universe, Elroy, and Agnes, of course. Let's get out of here. And Orange is out, had one life left.
Now it's just me and that bird.
Ooh. And the big bad wolf is out. Here comes Lucius. Ooh. And Mordecai Rigby is out.
No!
Come on!
You cheater! You know who else, Lucius, is a cheater? My mom!
No, it's only me, Grandpa Feather, and that Woodpecker. We gotta go help him. You can hide from me. Oh! Wait.
What the? God.
Get any much? Oh! And Lucius have one life left. Okay, Happy Racer, it's your turn now.
Run.
It's stuck. The car's too fat.
Oh, crap me a river. Triple crap.
Okay, how the ink attack?
Bump crap. Clarence is out. Bombs away! Crap. Let's get out of here. I'm glad my son is safe. I've robbed you, Raj. Looks like 2 racers is 2 challengers is safe, so what that means... And the winner is... me! No. No. Wait, what? I'm afraid Airboy has won. Wait, I did? Huh? Airboy? What, dude, Airboy has won? But that's impossible. But how?
But this isn't fair.
It's true, Bunny. It's fair.
I'm going to explode when you do that.
Oh, great. I'm ruined. That's it. I'm out here. Oh, I forgot the car. Well, I guess that's it for this episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. And Airboy has won for the first time ever the battle mode. Clarence, are you okay?
No, I'm injured.
Well, why that's gonna... But don't worry, we'll head to Monte Carlo. But stay tuned this episode. Well, peace out. Well, I gotta go home. Oh, hey, wait for me! Oh no, Airboy. Looks like Airboy has won. Come on, let's get out of here if anything else happens. Wait, what about Woody? Wait, there's the spies. Come on, let's go forward. No betcha. To the pirate ship.